You guys know that I struggle with stained tea. I drink soda, I drink coffee, I mean I used to smoke, so my teeth are really bad, you guys. I mean, just look at them. They're so bad. Lucky for me, Smile Brilliant sent me a whole teeth whitening kit. If you haven't seen the video, link is in description. So I'm able to whiten my teeth, and it couldn't come in perfect timing because, you guys, I need all the help I can get. I mean, just look at these things. Yeah. I thought I would film this video in an Ikea just to kind of show you guys how easy this process is. Chinga. Alright, I have this whole idea for a skit, and you guys, I don't even want to turn around. I just hit my head so hard on this lamp. And there's people behind me. This is just real talk. I really wanted to give you guys like the world's best skit, and I was planning on filming it here at Ikea because I thought I would show you guys that you can do it in a public place with a little homey feel. But I mean, I'm f***ing it up. The staff is like all over the place, and I'm just gonna keep it real because I really want you guys to see how awesome this product is. So let's just get started. I'm gonna whiten my teeth here at Ikea. You guys know from my last video that I sent in my little teeth trays. Now they sent it back to me in the mail. It came in about 7 to 8 days, and here's the packet it came in, and this is what it came with. Now these actually fit my teeth perfectly. I've already tried them on. It's crazy. It's so weird because it's like a glove. There's people coming. Let's go somewhere else. I feel like that's a really private place. Okay, so I'm like in this little sanctuary in Ikea, and these are them, and I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to use these. By the way, you guys, there's a staff member right over there. They send me 3 and 3 of these, and one is for teeth whitening and one is for sensitivity. You're going to be using the teeth whitening first, and that is going to be from 45 minutes to 3 hours depending on your sensitivity. The first time you use it, you want to use it for 45 minutes just to see kind of like if it hurts your teeth or not. Like me, I'm so sensitive with my mouth that I absolutely need to use 45 minutes. But if you're not, you can keep it on for up to 3 hours. And then this is for afterwards for the sensitivity, and you want to keep that in anywhere from 15 to 25 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on my custom fitted teeth whitening trays. You're just gonna be applying a little thin amount like this. Just put them on. Now we're just gonna go walk around and shop. I mean, it's so easy. This staff member doesn't even know that I'm doing that. So that's kind of cool. A little bit of the application kind of spit out through the side. Tastes like toothpaste. It's not bad. I already smelled it like 3 people. They don't even know that I have them on. Just imagine still being able to hang out with your family in this beautiful, luxurious backyard and whiten your teeth at the same time. Talk about 2 birds with 1 stone. And the thing about it is, like, I don't have time. Like, being a full-time vlogger, being a mom, being a wife, like, I'm very, very busy, and I literally have no time for myself. So the fact that I can still function in life while I whiten my teeth, I mean, it just makes so much sense for me. I mean, why would I want to go sit at some mall kiosk, which, by the way, I hate. You guys saw that on my first video. If not, link is in description on my experience with the mall kiosk people. Like, why would I want to do that when I can be like shopping or doing what I have to do? I mean, these things are so damn comfortable. Look at it. They hug my teeth. It's like a glove on my teeth. I think the best part about these is I'm giving one away completely free. That's right, one of you guys can have this $150 value teeth whitening kit by Smile Brilliant for completely free. So remember to read the description so you guys can enter my contest, because it's happening real soon. Hey, you guys are still here? These teeth whitening trays are so comfortable. I forgot they were in my mouth, so I got tired, so I decided to take a little nap. Yeah, I'm still in Ikea. Doesn't really matter though. I'm exhausted. Can I get some privacy? Yes, I'm still whitening my teeth. Get out of here. And taking it off. I'm gonna rinse these off.
Echo!
And make it whip.
Echo!
Literally getting my teeth whitened professionally with my little guy right here. How cool is that? Huh?
What's up? What's up?
Oh my god, I see such a huge difference.
Water. I can see water, Mom.
Wow, what a difference. I'm shocked. I am shocked. I'm shocked at the first result. Remember, all the links are in the description if you want to order your Smile Brilliant kit, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it.
Put them on again.
It's for sensitive teeth. It helps it not hurt. You put it on after you're done. So feel so mad.
I pull it with a lemon. Not 'cause she ain't living. It's just your eyes get acidic.
I don't know if I'm gonna put that in, you guys.